It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Okay, I lied. It's 10 to 12. I'm just about to go into the kitchen where I can hear Carl and his brothers playing with their Nerf Guns.
Cheeky man.
Hey, that was quick. You do, you shoot 6 and you're gone.
Hello, children.
Oh, wow, again.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Stuck in the middle.
Jordan's kind of gives away where he is because it's so loud. Bearing in mind that Kiall is now 24 years old and he's playing with Nerf
Got you right
Guns.
there.
I think I might get shot in a minute. I'm not looking forward to it.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. We just went for a massive meal at the Rose and Bloom in Whitstable and it was amazing.
Yeah, fully stuffed now.
If you're ever in Whitstable, do go to the Rose and Bloom because the food
nice.
is just
Yeah, really good.
notch.
Really good.
I just tripped. I just tripped.
Idiot. So yeah, now we're kind of a little bit depressed because obviously, one, it's a beautiful day, and two, we're like by the sea, and now we're having to get the train all the way back up to more or less London. So there's no sun, no sea. Well, there's a little bit of sun, but it's definitely no sea. And then just get ready for another week at work. From a long trek home, which is getting the train and then getting the bus, walking 2 minutes down the road, which is a bit.
In 2 minutes. It's not as bad as it usually is. I'm just going to chill out now before a long week at work.
Also, don't forget to check us out on Beme.
We'll put our names down below so you know who to follow. See you next weekend.